Lipstick stains on ivory. You lively, always thinking me so kindly. Pistol side me. Don't call no text messages, come find me. Put your hands in my chain, now nigga, not like it. On side, free smoke, give me a VIP. Rise discreet. On the streets, on my niggas, y'all shit, come find me.
Find me in Bron with Axe or bags from Harrods, I'm chilling with Arabs. Your nigga goes hacks for the pics, me I can't post when I get duck salad. The boys too careless, covered in carrots. Did it bare face, no cameras. Sitting outside with this rusty fam. Me know about jammers, me know about hammers. Me a squall lit that spot at the package on route, got it redirected.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we are with Third Lane down at the Tesco's car park. We were supposed to have a massive meet. Matt's naughty boy, mate. He's always on it. He always trying to be naughty. I tell you, watch him do it now. Yeah, he's a naughty geezer, mate. We're supposed to be going to Southampton. We scrapped that idea now because the rain obviously stopped a lot of people from turning up. Oh, it's such a rain, jarring. Go away. He loves it, man. I told you he loves it. See? I told him he loved it and he didn't believe me. But yeah, we are going to go down to the Maidstone and just enjoy the cars down there. So enjoy the content. It is a bit up and down at the minute, because we're supposed to be going somewhere else. But yeah. Look, his golf ain't getting left by that. That's a surprise, bro.
Hello, mate.
Right, so we are at Tyre Point in Maidstone. We decided to come here instead of going on the cruise. Like I said to you earlier, just enjoyed the cars here. I wish I came here earlier, so I do apologize. But yeah, there's some exciting things that are happening. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys when I leave. Shop. So if you see it there, you make sure if you shed your tyres, come and see this place here, yeah? That's all I've got to tell you. But this motor, I've seen this on Instagram and I knew this is what he was going to do. Because he's got the best in the game and he just replaces him straight away. I love it. 600 brake.
Nutty, isn't it? Nutty.
Rear wheel drive, no ABS, no nothing. No power steering? No. Just you and the car? Yeah.
It's a looker as well, man.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I love it.
So that was a Carol Shelby car in the, I think the early 60s.
Yep.
Who then went on to do the iconic Ford GT40, which won Le Mans, what, 6 times in a row?
So because of this, they're inspired the GT.
Yeah, so absolutely. This is what got Ford interested in Carol Shelby, because this Cobra was dominating all racing around the world, and they thought we can take this a bit further, and they did. They developed GT40. It won them on, I think 5 or 6 times in a row. So
it is obviously an iconic car to this moment.
Iconic car to this moment. Real ones, 3-4 million now.
Real ones.
Yeah. But the good thing is the replica market's strong. They don't lose any money.
Good stuff.
You buy, that's probably worth more now than what I paid for it 2 years ago.
It's loud as well now.
But that is so loud. That's our Aaron seat. It's got the floor as well.
That thing's next level, isn't it? That's a machine, son. Come on, Dad, give it some. Spin it up, man. Spin it up, man. Come on. Come on, Dad. Go on, spin it up, man. Come on, I know you want it, boy. Come on. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Well, that thing's next level, man. This is... Dude. Shh. Yes! Go on.
I don't think it should be black out of the roof. I think it should be black. No joke. It should be black and black only. I think you lose a bit of what? I think you lose a bit of like character. Really? Sweet. Pleasure. You too, man. Pleasure to meet you. Original colour. Black. Can we make a video on this car? If that's the case.
I might have to. giving out free rides?
No.
Only jams he asked earlier.
Alright, come on.
We should ask him if he can take it.
They came running. I've never been in this car before, so this is my first experience. Yeah. Love it. Sounds good, doesn't it? The sound of this car. It rips! It absolutely rips! Look, this video is late, it's dark, but look, I just had to take you on this experience with me.
Oh, it's done.
Yep, he's off. He's gone. RAB10, who cares? We don't need to see that. No, I'm joking, Dan. I know you're going to watch this and you're probably going to think I'm only joking. Love your car. Your car's an absolute savage. Well, this is just something different. Yeah. I appreciate you, mate. I know you don't ever like doing this, and I know you look after it, and it's so clean. But you know what? I feel so fortunate to have been given a ride in this. That, my friend, that is what you call an opportunity of a lifetime. Honestly, let me know. Yeah, leave a comment below if you want to see a full feature in this. Just if he doesn't say yes, I'm going to leave his @ in the description and just send him loads of DMs.
Let's shout it out on here, man. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just keep up at what you're doing, man. HXRL3Y_801_13. Get at it. Yeah, go on, give it some. Give it some. Go on, give it some, give it some. LA! One wheel pill, you know.
One wheel pill. Right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tyre Point, he had an amazing event today. We came a bit late, but we captured as much footage as we could. All the cars that I left, I hope you enjoy. LA Carbon Fiber is back in the 335, 410 brake, absolute machine. I tried. You tried, come on.
That was good, man, it was solid.
We are going to sign out. This is LA. We've got quite a few things in the pipeline, and yeah, hold tight, Mr. Mills on the camera, because this content is now going to be A1. And the few cars that we saw here today, we're going to do some reviews on them as well. And we are actually going to get a review on this 335, which is running about 700 brake horsepower. No, give or take. We'll say it's 750, but yeah, I'll reveal everything that it's running once we do a review on it. But it is an absolute weapon. If I don't sell it before. If you don't sell it before, we get a video on it. Well, yeah, signing out for now. JammyGoLucky, LA Carbon Fiber. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow him on Instagram. The best phone cases in the industry, best carbon fiber accessories. In fact, not just carbon fiber phones, but accessories. You've got. Should I still do sales pitch? Anyway, if you see me at the stand,
video, you're gonna buy a case.
you're gonna buy a case. So I'll let you off now. This video is probably been too long. I will see you in the next one.
See ya.